Jaden, pick for me number 4. Wow. Yay! Gloria, number 3. Pick number 3 on the table. Come and show us number 3 on the chair. I love that. Number 3. Yay! Ayla. Number 2. Good. Come on, look for number 2. Wow. Now sit. Sit on that number 2. Josiah, show me number 7. Number 7. Okay, come and look for it. Come and show me number 7 on the chair. Yay! Dion, number 5. Sima, number 8.
Il parlait trop fort, maintenant c'est fini. On garde la ligne, on garde.
Tino, number 6. Tino, number 6, yes. Number 9. Okay, look for number 9. Yay!